Here's Carriazo. Miller. Back to Carriazo. Here's Miller. Fires.
Kita mo naman, may timer pa yung Alaska. Si Coach Tim Cone pa yung sumisigaw.
Set it up. Here we go. Interior.
Five minutes to go in the opening quarter. Carriazo, binigay kay Miller, and now here's Holcomb. Holcomb has been very offensive-minded dito sa opening quarter.
Wants to come up with a statement.
Proof something. Aces up by 2. Here's Holcomb on the move. Holcomb all the way!
Eh, kasi mga Filipino na yung purpose dito, so probably Holcomb says to himself, might as well take over.
G's puntos para kay Randy Holcomb. Meantime, here's Peter Jones-Simon. As usual, coming off the bench para dito sa Pure Foods. Here's Simon to James Yap. Pull-up is no good. Rebound para kay Hugnata.
Galing tayo sa 13 all. Uy, sayang yun.
Substitution, John Ferriols for Sonny Toss.
Sonny Toss will sit down in favor of John Ferriols.
Can't afford naman no? Dahil nga ang pumalit dito kay Ralimi si Peter Jones-Simon na maliit. So okay lang kahit natanggalin lang si Toss. Alaska leads sa rebounds 13-3.
A miss by Peter Jones-Simon. Here comes Holcomb. Steps on the brakes. Hugnata zigzags inside. Ferriols with an offensive rebound. Bagong shot clock para sa Alaska.